There are a lot of weight loss programs out there. In fact, it seems like every time I look, we see a new weight loss product, a new magic miracle product that's happening maybe every week. Well, there aren't really any miracles involved in weight loss and weight management, but there is some really outstanding science and technology. And what Mannatech has done is we've created a new product called the OsoLean powder. OsoLean is a peptide technology. This is extraordinary and different. The approach is very different from other weight loss products that you've seen. What Mannatech did is they went and looked at whey protein, which of course is a real food. And we identified only those peptides, and these are molecules on a protein chain, only these peptides that had certain functions that are beneficial in weight management and weight loss programs. We then isolated these peptides, and then we concentrated these peptides into a powder that we call OsoLean. So taken from whey protein, but concentrated in specific peptides to give you the results that you need in a weight management and weight loss program. This is so different from whey protein. It's like making a comparison between a block of granite and a sculpture carved from a block of granite. It's that different from ordinary whey protein. This extraordinary technology has been tested in a human clinical trial, and that's really where it counts. And what did the test show us? Well, this was a double-blind, placebo-controlled study. In one group, they received the peptide technology that we now call OsoLean powder. In the other group, they didn't. Both groups were asked to reduce their caloric intake by about 500 calories a day, and both groups were asked to exercise 30 minutes 3 times a week. Both groups lost almost exactly the same amount of weight, but the difference was the amount of fat that was lost. That's the key. When you go on a diet, is the goal to lose weight or to lose fat? That's a big difference. You see, muscle is much heavier than fat per centimeter. Most people don't think about that. And of course, muscle is flatter and firmer, and fat is, well, it takes up a lot of space and it's fluffy and unattractive. So what you want to target in your weight management program is the fat, not the weight. And that's what this product does. In this double-blind test, the people who took the peptide technology that we now call OsoLean powder, these people lost approximately 75% of every kilogram as pure body fat. That's extraordinary. That's what you want. That's technology at work. There are 4 important benefits of OsoLean powder. This peptide technology helps us convert stored body fat in 2 different ways, totally different pathways. By converting the stored body fat, of course, you're getting stored body fat off of your body, and you're also increasing your energy as you're converting the stored body fat into energy. 2 benefits right there. That's pretty amazing all by itself. And then, of course, if these peptides can get into a section of your digestive tract called the duodenum 20 minutes before you eat your meal, that can help to curb your appetite. And basically, it produces a naturally occurring chemical in your duodenum that says to your brain, you know what? I'm not as hungry as I was before. I don't think I need to eat as much. And that helps you to reduce your caloric intake. That's important as well. And we have the benefit of additional real food calcium. That's a major benefit. About 450 milligrams of real food calcium, the kind of calcium your body knows how to recognize and utilize, and that's in every daily recommended serving, as well as magnesium and phosphorus in addition. So that's very, very important benefits. OsoLean powder is, as far as I'm concerned, the most important technology that has come up so far to date for weight management and weight loss. Now, you might say, how do I take OsoLean powder? It's available in canisters and also in small sachets that you can take with you anywhere. Put it in your pocket or your purse. No excuse for not using your OsoLean powder twice per day. You may want to mix it in something. You can mix it in water. You can mix it in juice. I like to mix mine in the GlycoSlim meal replacement drink mix. Why? Because part of our program is a request to each participant to reduce their daily caloric intake by about 500 calories a day. That can be very easily done if you simply mix your OsoLean powder with your GlycoSlim meal replacement drink, chocolate or vanilla. Yes, you can mix them together because it's a meal replacement, not a meal. And that's going to give you the nutrition you need in a very tasty form and allow you to get your OsoLean powder to work at the same time. The cumulative calories of those two products together are about 1/3 of the caloric cost of the typical meal. And what does that mean? That means that you're going to save about 500 calories every time you do that, which is exactly what we're asking you to do. We also, of course, ask you to increase your daily activity. We'd like you to do proper exercises wherever possible, but you can do bicycling and swimming and hiking and all kinds of ways to increase your daily activities as part of your program. There is one more benefit to this product, and that is branched chain amino acids, because we want you to be as lean as possible. Now, lean means muscle. The more muscle you have, the easier it is for you to maintain your weight once you have achieved your goal. And that's important, so you're not doing the yo-yo diet thing all the time. These branched chain amino acids help you to maintain lean muscle mass so you can get lean and stay lean with the OsoLean powder. This is a product that if you need to change your body composition, this is the best technology that I know of today, and I strongly recommend that you use it daily for your weight management program.